1. Wear a Trinity knot at lighthearted occasions. Trinity knots are not the best idea if you're making an important impression, like at a job interview or court hearing. Reserve Trinity knots for special occasions with friends or family. A wedding reception, for example, is the perfect reason to wear a Trinity knot. A political dinner is not. 2. Pick a Trinity knot when you want your tie as a focal point. Understated shirts or suits work best with the Trinity knot, so it becomes your outfit's centerpiece. Your outfit should draw the eye to your tie. Do not wear shirts with distracting patterns or neon colors. Pastel-colored shirts accentuate Trinity knots well. 3. Choose Trinity knots when wearing plain ties. Loud patterns with cartoon characters or paisley patterns will detract from the beauty of the knot. Choose a simple pattern that will highlight the knot rather than drown it. If you want a pattern, choose a light one like little polka dots. Solid color ties are ideal when wearing a Trinity knot. 4. Wear a narrow spread collar. Wider collars tend not to frame the Trinity knot favorably, so choose a more narrow shirt. You can spot a narrow spread by the collar opening, which is flatter than most shirts. Cutaway collars, club collars, and rounded collars are equally unflattering for Trinity knots. 5. Tie a Trinity knot after you've mastered easier knots. Trinity knots are a bit more complicated than your average Windsor knot. Because Trinity knots aren't always user-friendly for beginners, work through easier knots before you attempt it.